Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jimmy, and today I'm super pumped to show you a feature that I never would have thought I would have been able to do so easily and so quickly at home, and it is called Auracast. So as long as you have the brand new Samsung Galaxy S24 Series, you are now able to broadcast audio for anybody to listen to that is in Bluetooth listening range. Now this will be a huge deal when it comes down to travel at airports or train stations. If you want to listen to details, they'll be able to broadcast audio that as long as you have that compatible Bluetooth headset, you're able to listen to everything there. Sometimes it's a little hard to listen to everything through the noise. Same thing, maybe if you're in a university or a college, your professor is able to speak into a mic. And if you're at the rear end of, the stadium, the rear end of the classroom, it's so large you can barely hear it. You're now able to listen in on that broadcast, again, using Auracast. So this was something that I showed off for the Galaxy Buds 2 Pros a few months ago, that you're able to update the Galaxy Buds 2 Pros to initiate and actually use Auracast. So that means that you're able to connect to a broadcast, but currently there was nothing really out there that was pushing off the broadcast, but now you can do it on the Galaxy S24 series. So how you're able to get this set up for the Galaxy Bud 2 Pros, which currently are the only compatible Bluetooth headsets currently, which many more will come right after this, especially now that it's so easily accessible to push off a broadcast. You want to go inside of your wearable application. Now, inside of the wearable application, just make sure you're taking a look at your Galaxy Bud 2 Pros. When you tap on that one, scroll down and you head inside of your earbud settings. Now, inside of the earbud settings, you just want to make sure that you are running the latest software update. Again, this update that allowed you to do Auracast was pushed out a few months ago. So more than likely, you already have this update. Now, what's going to happen from here is, now that you have it all set up, you have it all updated, you just want to go inside of your Bluetooth settings. So once you go inside of the Bluetooth settings, you just basically hit the details, take a look at the Galaxy Bud 2 Pros, boom, find a broadcast. So as long as somebody is the transmitter pushing off a broadcast and you're within range, you can actually connect to it and now listen to whatever they are broadcasting. So my password right here is very easy. It's just 2024. So I'm gonna put in 2024, hit undone. And now the Galaxy Bud 2 Pros is now listening to this broadcast. Now the other thing I can also do is I can stop it on the bottom. Or if I don't want to broadcast out maybe a YouTube video, I can push out some music. So if I want to share what music I'm listening to, I'd be able to push it right on out. And then people are able to, again, listen to my broadcast. This is basically a radio antenna. Whatever radio station that you're driving into in that area, if you're within the range of your FM or AM radio to listen to it, it's the same thing. As long as you're within range of me, I have a broadcast shooting out that you can actually join in and listen. So I can do this with videos, with music, podcasts, pretty much whatever. So now that you know how all of this works, basically what Auracast is, how you can make it work on the Galaxy Buds 2 Pros, you might be wondering, how do you set it up on the Galaxy S24 series? So first off, what I'm going to do is I'll just actually head right over here. I'll hit stop broadcast. I'm going to close out of everything and then show you from the very get-go. So because I closed it out, if I try to find a broadcast, and let's say that I leave this, there's actually no broadcasts found. So there's actually nothing for me to listen to. So here we are on this device. You're going to head inside of your Bluetooth settings, because this is all being done via Bluetooth. Once you go inside of the details, on the top right-hand side, you'll see the option on the very top, broadcast sound using Auracast. Once you go there, you can change the name of the broadcast. You can change the password right here, and I'm going to see if... Okay, it looks as if you definitely have to have at least 4 characters. So I guess you can't just have nothing. I guess you can make it easy, 1, 2, 3, 4. But basically now, when you hit start broadcast, it's now going to find it. It's just going to show up as my name right there. It's just stating unknown because nothing is playing just yet. Now, if I go inside of, let's say, YouTube Music, and let's pull this up, let's find something else. You can see it changing right over here. You can see exactly what we'd be able to listen to and change it. And that's pretty much it. So here we are as a transmitter pushing off a broadcast via my phone's Bluetooth. And now anybody else with their phone, as long as they currently have the Galaxy Buds 2 Pros and more to come after that, you will be able to join in and start and host Auracasts or basically I should say broadcasts. So then this way everybody else can also listen in with it. So I think this is pretty fantastic. There are so many different, usabilities and so many different reasons that this would be able to work in so many different situations. If it's at a job, again, like I said, anything travel, maybe concerts, could be something with a house. Maybe your TV in the future would be able to do Auracast. So then this way, if you have, a headset, you'd be able to connect it to your TV and listen to whatever's happening there without disturbing the spouse in the bed next to you. If it's at a college or university, again, a lot of really cool things that you're able to do now. And here we are, the Galaxy S24 Series was able to actually bring it as a transmitter. So I think this is amazing. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about Auracast. Anytime you ever want to stop it, you just hit on stop. And that is pretty much it. So hopefully you guys appreciated this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe on the very bottom left-hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.